Hey girls, let's get into this iridescent gold beautiful lip gloss that I made the other day that goes by the name of Atlantis, and it is inspired by the one and only The Little Mermaid. It came out so super cute, and I cannot share the deets and how I made it with you guys, so stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, bang. Mix it, lipstick, bang. Mix it, lipstick, bang. Mix it, lipstick,
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, bang. Mix it, lipstick, bang. Mix it, lipstick, bang.
Let's mix it up.
Alright besties, before we jump into this video, I just want to let you know that the full recipe to this video will be on my Patreon. Shout out to all my patrons, by the way. For a small pledge of $5 per month, you can gain access to this recipe and so many others. All of my archive recipes, basically my whole collection is right there at your fingertips. All of the recipes and also some Patreon exclusive as well as some member discounts. Now it is time to get into this video. So to my bowl, I have me some Versagel. You can grab your Versagel from TKB, Amazon, whatever Versagel you have will do. So I have that in my bowl, and what I'm going to do is go in and correct this texture, and I'm going to thin out this gloss. Versagel on its own is just like a thick lip gloss, so I want to thin it out a little bit. I'm going to go in with some hydrogenated polyisobutene, and that is going to help me to increase the shine and correct the texture, and I'm going to mix those two together very well before I go in with the Mica. So once you get your gloss to your desired texture, now it is time to add in our Mica, the Mica of my choice that I'm going to be using, that I've never used before. I don't think I have. Is the gold Enigma Mica, and it is basically like a white pearlized Mica with some golden iridescent reflex in it, and it is so beautiful. It reminds me of a seashell, you guys, and here I am just mixing that Mica into that gloss, incorporating it really well. And once I do that, I'll be going right back in with some hydrogenated polyisobutene to further thin out this gloss, so that it's not sticky and it's not webbing, and just to correct that texture, because as you can see, after adding that Mica, it just thickened it up a bit. So now I want to go back in and correct it and thin it out some more with my hydrogenated polyisobutene. This can also be done with some grapeseed oil or a thin oil of your choice. Some people like to use coconut, but due to oil sensitivities, I chose to stick to the hydrogenated polyisobutene, and so far, you guys, I've been loving it. Now I'm going in with some preservative cap too, just to preserve things. I'm going to go in with a drop of that, and I'm going to mix that in really good. So now it's time to put it in a bottle. I got this cup helping me. I ran out of jumbo syringes, so I had to get creative, and that's why I'm using this super small syringe. Yes, I had to fill it up twice, so definitely a jumbo syringe will do the trick, and it will be your best friend, especially if you're making more than one bottle. Here I'm just making one bottle, so it didn't really matter much, but if you're making more than one bottle, definitely use a bigger syringe. So here I am. Also, shout out to El Sabor. She custom makes bottles. She made these bottles and sent them over to me. I am ever so grateful for her. I was looking through the bottles that she sent me, and I was like, oh my gosh, this would be perfect for today's gloss. So here I am trying to be gentle and not tear up this bottle and filling it to the tippy top as much as I can. I had to fill it and fill up my syringe twice because it was a 5 ml syringe. I'm sorry, 10 ml. So I went in with some more, and just like that, I'm done. I added my stopper, and look at how gorgeous the top of this gloss is. Like, she really outdid herself. It is so dainty, so pretty. Check her out on Instagram, send her a DM if you're interested. She really went off with these bottles. I am so in love. But yes, that is it. It's as simple as that. The only thing I used today was Versagel, Hydrogenated Polyisobutene, and of course the Mica, and a little bit of preservative. But just like that, we are done. It is time to try this baby on, and look at that, you guys. So pretty, so nice, so shiny, the perfect texture, you guys. Amazing. I wore this gloss all week long. I'm going to continue to wear this gloss. It is definitely a staple in my collection, and it can easily be a part of yours. I do offer wholesale, so if you guys are interested, check out my website, veryveelobeauty.com. Until next time, I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you for allowing me to share my gift with you. I love you. Bye-bye.